Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the essentials that I use to maintain and service my dirt bike. Alright, starting off with one of the most important parts of servicing your dirt bike, and that's having fresh oil in your dirt bike. Now I do my oil every 10 to 15 hours, but make sure you check your owner's manual for when it's recommended to do oil changes. Now this model kit comes with two 7100 1 litre bottles of oil, as well as a replacement oil filter. Now this is a really good pack to have because it gives you 2 oil changes depending on your bike, and it's super easy to use. Now moving on to one of the most overlooked part of dirt bike maintenance, and it's your grease. Every few months what I'll do is I'll grab a little bit of this and I'll smack it on my wheel bearings, I'll put it on my linkages, I'll put it on my swing arm, my steering stem. What that does is it really extends the life of my bearings, and it's cheaper than replacing bearings. So get yourself some of the iPone high quality waterproof grease. Now it's really important that it's waterproof, because what happens when you wash your dirt bike? You're gonna wash that grease off if it's not waterproof. So highly recommend at least a few times a year. Now a lot of you guys are using chain lube, which is great. It's gonna make your chain last longer. But what a lot of you aren't doing is using your chain cleaner before you apply chain lube. So whether you do it when you clean your bike or you do it after you clean your bike, it's really important that you hit it with some of this Motul chain cleaner. And what that does is it gets rid of that grease and grime on the chain and allows the chain lube to stick better to the actual chain and not the dirt that's on the chain. So get onto these guys, it's really essential. Moving on to the MPPL multi-purpose spray. This stuff is great for reducing moisture, freeing corrosion, and really just saying no to rust. Now this stuff I use for my pegs, keep the movement nice and smooth, and I also use it for my brake and clutch levers. Again, keeps everything lubricated, removes moisture, and really stops any sort of rust or corrosion. So a must have in maintenance. Moving on to the essential part of dirt bike maintenance, and that's your air filters. This pack here comes with 2 high flow filters, air filter wash and air filter oil. So once you're done with your air filter, you pull it out, you use this to wash it, rinse out the old oil and grease, and then just hose it down with a bit of water, get that clean, fresh filter ready to apply your oil. Now this is really important, guys, because if you have a clean air filter, you have a clean engine, and your bike's gonna run better for longer. So a must-have essential for maintenance, guys. So there you have it, guys. These are your dirt bike maintenance essentials to keep your bike lasting longer and performing better. If you'd like to get a hold of these, jump on our website at amawarehouse.com.au or click the link below this video. Enjoy, guys.